It's the 30th of August, Monday afternoon after lunch. We have Danny and a colleague of his over, and they're trying to repair the water pump. They've had to dig out where they put in the fosse septique, and they have taken up the pump, and now, bonjour, now they are trying to get the pump to work again. And this gentleman here is supposed to be an expert on water pumps, which is now over here. It's been taken apart, and hopefully they haven't taken it apart so much that they can't get it back together and working again, but you never know. Ron and James have been working in the nether regions of the house, way up there, building in cupboards around hot water heaters and different infrastructure issues with that. We still do not have a concrete floor for the foyer as yet, because we have been waiting for Vincent, the electrician, to make an appearance so that he can lay down the electrical piping that he asked James and Ron to allow him to do, that it would be easier to extend the wiring to other parts of the house. So we're still waiting on Vincent. Meantime, James, yes, caught you, has been working in the ensuite area, which is still underway. Ron is working on the boxed in area for the clawfoot tub, make that watertight and waterproof so that any adventurous guest in the bathtub who splash water over don't ruin the box and the floor over time. Work is progressing on the ceiling, as you can see here. Stephen went and got some more supplies to carry on that work. And it's all systems go on Monday. And speaking of the devil, there he is.